how to stop someone from saving your snaps on Snapchat. Yep, that's right, we'll learn how to disable the Save in Chat option to keep your snaps private. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down until you find the Who Can. Here you can find options like contact me, send me in a notification, view my story, and all the other options. Now tap on contact me. Here you have two options, that is friends and contacts. Only select my friends to ensure only your friends can contact you directly. And after that, go back to settings menu and scroll down to privacy sections and tap on memories. In the memory settings, you will see an option called Save To. Tap on Save To. Make sure camera roll only or memories and camera roll is selected. This way your snaps are saved to your device but not in the chat. Lastly, if you want to prevent someone from saving your messages specifically, you need to do this individually for each chat. Go back to the main screen and open a chat with a friend. In the chat, tap on friend's Bitmoji or profile icon to open their profile. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, and then tap on delete chats and select after viewing. And there you have it. By following the steps, you can better control who can save your snaps on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.